essay on childhood versus adulthood. Introduction. Both childhood and adulthood are two significant stages of life. Anyone who is born has to go through these stages no matter what. In this essay, we will discuss what is meant by childhood and adulthood and how the former affects the latter. What is childhood? Childhood is a stage when one is still considered a child. Legally in India, anyone who has not completed the age of 14 is considered a child. From 14 to 18 is considered teen, and above 18 a person is categorized as an adult. It is evident that childhood is a growing phase in the life of a person. You start learning about so many things, relations, friends, school, subjects, etc. But you remain a master of none. You keep on exploring as long as you are through childhood. What is adulthood? Adulthood is a stage when you have grown wiser than childhood and can be trusted to go on with your life independently. As childhood is an initial stage of your life, adulthood is, on the other hand, an initial stage of your career. Your decisions during adulthood will shape your career in the future. It is mostly a reflection of what would you like to do in your future or what you have decided to become. How childhood affects adulthood? Childhood affects adulthood in many ways. The experiences you go through as a child mold your personality and shapes the attitude you carry as an adult. Adulthood is nothing but a reflection of your childhood experiences and how you understand them. For example, a child who has faced criticism and exploitation may develop a callous disregard for society and relations. On the other hand, he/she may also seek love, respect, and choose to grow in a sensible and respectful adult. Childhood is also a time when you develop your liking towards some particular subjects or career options. You go on to pursue your dreams, and your adulthood is nothing but a struggling stage of yours towards your dreams. What you wanted to become as a child, you will make an effort for the same as an adult and hopeful for making a career out of your aspirations. Conclusion. Both childhood and adulthood are entangled together and interrelated. You carry your childhood experiences as an adult and it shapes your career growth up to a large extent. Nevertheless, both are significant stages of an individual's life. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.